Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So as you guys can see, I am on the outside. In this video today, I am going to cook some cowfoot on the outside on the coal stove, and I am going to cook the gungo rice and peas on the inside on the gas stove. So Michael is going to light the fire for me.
Yes, peeps. And last week we did it on the outside. I cook said speed. I'm a virgin. Then we can go on my channel, Woman Garden Fix and Tricks. Go watch that video there. We are cook some gungo soup. So we did it on the outside again. But we're not going to cook under the tree today because let's see a few mango blossom a drop. So we're going to bring the pot up this up. We're going to bring the pot up this up. We want a mango blossom.
No, we pot.
Cowfoot, you know? So right now I light up the cold stove.
The blossom can give it taste.
Put little sticks in it. See them little sticks there? That I'm going to use on catch it properly. So I will just stay and light the stove, but as soon as the light, I'm going to move.
Whoa,
Yeah,
look
fire.
at that. The Capleton said fireman.
Yes, sir.
Fire burn.
Yeah, man. So Sunday, you know, and a cowfoot and rice and peas, and rice and gungo peas we are cook. AKA pigeon pea. Yeah, so them vibes that we are all, you know. Everything seasoned up already, right, Chin?
That's right. So yes guys, so last night now me season up the cowfoot because I couldn't bother to get up and season it up. This morning I want the season to soak in it. So you know say half it tastes good.
Said speed.
So people look how the coal catch so quick.
Yeah, man. Fire in it already, man.
Straight from the country. I
So
will
we are gonna
buy
move
from
it now.
again, Tony.
Yeah, man. Up a country. Cocoa walk up a Chin place.
Chin place, chin have a place.
Right? So we mean plant, yeah.
So here so we are doing it today.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this light already, you know, people. Sketch.
Really, the coal is very good. A lagwood, right? It look like a lagwood.
Even know, I go black off right so do or do so.
The way
I
I
go
look.
black off right so. To kind of make the breeze not blow it out. You understand?
Yeah. Put it in the hole at the stove around this side. Yeah.
Or even do so. Because you don't want to blow too much, you know. So people see pot over here, so.
The oil and the pot is there while the cowfoot is in the fridge still a marinate. I don't take it out as yet.
So I go and set on the pot and but me have a look up. I see we are gonna make it cook. We don't want to go directly down on it. So I'm gonna use a griller. I use a griller, people. I'll set it on the grill like that. I'll put that on. Cover it because as I tell you, you know.
You don't want the mango blossom.
They might drop. Although mango blossom and cowfoot good, you know.
You ever eat it?
No, sir. But anything mango the most good. Mango is my favorite fruit.
You know, just say blossom, I'm going to give taste, a different taste to it.
So right just over there, man. My backyard, so. Look a nice spot. I'll put my chair right so I don't go and sit down and watch a pot for chicken. That's how we have to deal with it.
That's
right.
right.
She on the inside and me on the outside. So if you go food burn up, I don't cook good, it's going to be filming for all.
That's right. Because I'm going to handle the inside. And guys, remember to go over to his channel, Home and Garden Fix and Tricks.
Yeah. Get it right this one.
So guys, this is the cowfoot. Look at it, so pretty, ain't it? Well seasoned. So I am going to tell you the season I used on it last night. So I used some jerk, some all-purpose Maggi, and I use a little garlic powder. So you know I have my onion, my scallion, my thyme, my garlic, my pimento seed, and all of that, and my pepper. I cannot leave out the pepper. So take a look at it. So guys, the cowfoot is going in the pot now.
I'm not worrying about people because I'm going to season it up again. So if all of them seasoning I go cook, when it go midway, I'm going to season it up again. So it has to taste good, you know. I'm going to know. You know.
smell it already. And it just go in.
Yeah, man. I'm going to know people is to cover this. You could go and simmer a little, you know. Soon as it want like a water, you go and turn it and make the pot sweat. But as soon as it want like a water now, you go put some water in it to cover the meat and we're gonna make it slow cook. Normally people pressure it. You can pressure it, you know, you done faster, but slow cooking you deal. You understand me? So now pressure it.
And we're gonna use warm water.
Yeah, we use the warm water. We just throw in this and just throw in it. So you can put on this inside.
Make a cover it up.
Alright people, I deal with this for roots girl because she can take a little wash off, you know, she can shower. So I that, you know, people. You want to put a little water in it, as I tell you. Yeah man, it can bubble down, you know. So we do it, man. Let this go and slow cook, you know. See cool there. Bad, every Jamaican if you have this. Everybody if you have it, you know, but especially Jamaican. If you can get the charcoal, you can buy all the fur in a store. Have your little coal pot, man. Because you know one time, big company, corporate company, are going to take back the energy. So if you have this, as a backup. Yeah man, so them pretty.
Very.
Put a bit more water in it, you know.
Close it back. Stay tuned for the delicious Cowfoot that we're gonna have for today.
The coconut milk in the pot, you know. It's a niceness, yeah.
I coconut milk every all
Season over there,
natural.
so. Natural grated coconut, you know. Boil, keto, good rice and peas at water and time.
Let the coconut milk boil until it has a little highlight kind of looking. This
Hear
look like
that?
this little bit. Looking at the pot.
Oh, that good man, if anything in I don't
That
pour
you
that
normally use that pot here.
yeah, that to it if anything.
Okay.
I mean what I do the same way. Cook down the cow foot, you know? Yeah. Hey, watch pretty Ras.
So guys, this is the scallion, the thyme, the pepper, garlic, pimento. I am going to put it in the pot now because as you guys can see, the coconut milk is boiled. Look at that. I'm gonna give it a stir or stir fry. This is a big pot. So I'm just going to let this boil and then know the rice will go in it. Because I already put in a piece of butter and some salt. Yeah man, go ahead.
Alright people, see it now. Want me fork to test it, but I know say it a cook.
Why did-
Soften up, you know. So I'm going to season him up back, you know. Yes, I. And I add a little water to him. Cover him up back. And last cooking this, you know. And did it on the fire about an hour now, you know, chin.
About that?
Yeah man, about that.
So
Slow
what you
cooking.
need something to bring the fork. Bring the fork
That's alright man.
to make sure it is cooked, you know. So guys, as you know,
So people see it. Once you can go through it like that, that's it. Cooking.
That is good, and it smells so good, people. Trust me.
Man. I'm not gonna cooking.
Right now, I know so the people them can't keep me ease that in yard. I ask you.
I season the men people. Onion, carrot, and everything we put in it, and then we're gonna put the broad bean in it. I'm gonna put the broad bean because they come in a tin, so it cook already.
The powder season is not hard to it as yet.
Yeah, we're not put no powder seasoning on the meat neither. So you just work the seed.
Nice.
Put pepper in it, right?
Easy. Yeah man, pepper is a must. You know me not cook without pepper.
Alright, people, may I tell you, right now I'm gonna show you how to smell this. It bad like them a ton. Smell good.
Not so bad.
Yeah, man. Cover back that and make it go on.
So who do the best part of it? I would be best part of it. Me or you? I'm a season it, you know.
Team, man. We don't compete.
Okay,
Team
okay
work,
then.
dream work, you know.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Why people me not lie? See me come in the house a while ago. I smell a pig. Look there. Look on the coconut. I saw your coconut for looking when you boil the rice and peas, people. If you don't look so, you not go taste good. You say you look oily and nice and boiled down. Some people just throw coconut milk in it and then you put rice in it. It can't nice. So you go put it in the rice now. I say, you smell nice when you come in the house a while ago, you're afraid.
I mean, I cook in a night. Don't know some
So put it in the rice in it, people. Yes, I mean, you get a better view of the process. See him there? See the rest of the people. Yes, sir.
The Empress.
She's the Rasta Empress, you know?
The black shiny.
So people want to see it pile up like that tonight, you know, say the good amount, the right amount of water tonight. Once you come up in the middle like that, so you know the right amount of water tonight. So I tell you the rice and peas I got shot. When the green pepper drop in it, I know not normal. Plus, the Cowfoot out the door, I know not normal. Yeah, man. Where Brad bean there? Let me show them it. Where Grace Brad bean there?
Hold on. Let her pass it.
So people, this is the Grace Brad bean we're going to put
Throw it in
tonight.
the pot after the
You
rice.
understand? So you see it look. So I'm talking about, you see coconut look on top. That's so you people, if you cook rice and peas and you want it nice, you have to make your coconut milk boil till actually you get the oil. If you throw coconut milk in a pot and then you put rice, it's bound to fail. Take out that little bit around the side. Yeah. So you're going to make this cook now. Put in your green pepper down in it and you're good to go. So see we again. Next video you're going to see, or the next part of the video you're going to see is when this start boil up and start simmer down, and I will show you it again. Cool? So people see here. See the rasta there. Tell the people what kind of season now.
This is jerk season.
Good old jerk with pimento seed and blah 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 blah
Yeah,
blah.
blah, blah, blah. It's nice, no?
You have to watch the mango blossom them.
Where is the all-purpose? Pass it coming.
All-purpose Maggi. Everybody cook with that. Jamaican national seasoning that.
That's true. I want more than this.
Alright. I tell the people, if you're the right person, I'm not tell you. Anyway you're there in a 1 mile radius of this pot, you smell. You might have kick like a mule, man.
Like a Jackie Chan.
Yeah.
Why?
See what I'm about?
You burn me,
The
master.
pot itself a kick. Yeah, man. I have the cabbage and the carrot for make the vegetable. And I have my ginger, carrot, and beetroot wherever you use make the juice. It's a very healthy drink, you know, people, especially persons with diabetes. When you do this, you don't put no sugar in it. Absolutely no sugar. Just the carrot and the beetroot, or you can just do the straight beetroot. Right? This beetroot is a, trust me, is a powerful plant. Absolutely powerful. So this way I gotta deal with it. This way me I gotta deal with it now. When she I gotta deal with the vegetable, I'm gonna deal with the juice. Alright, so see you when we're done. Clean up and cut up and blend. Everything wash already, you know. So look how much ginger we have in there. See it? You see? This is what is gonna give your drink or your juice nice flavor, and it's also healthy. You know what I say? You know, say ginger is antifungal, antibacterial. You understand me? It have a lot of nutrition in it for your body. So it's important that you put a lot of ginger in your juice. As long as you can bear it, because it's stinging, you know. Trust me. So we'll cut up this now and blend. See you then. So rhyme down. People see it now. I like people tough. Some might soft, but some bit tough, so it takes us quite a while. Better with the pressure it. You understand me? No like, but it come in. I'm gonna add the bean to it.
And one thing I know, I not buy back no more cow food. No, sir, I rather go buy from the cook shop but then cookie give me. It's too tough. I never sign up for this.
They never cook Cowfoot already.
Yeah, but it never so tough.
I just saw it go. That's the one where you get. You have to have patience in a tradition.
I understand, but yo, this is so long. Like really long.
So you say I show them
Me
now.
all tired.
People, I eat this one. You see it? Bad. I put a little tip of ketchup in it. Holy.
Yes, the little tip. So that sounds like a really little tip.
Little tip. See there? Nothing can joke. See there? Little tip.
But you don't put none.
Just to add to the gravy, but
No,
when you cook again, I'm going to whole heap of ketchup because it's going to taste sweet.
Just so weird.
And everybody loves sweetness, you know?
That's right.
See the peeps? See your gravy there. See the nice rich gravy there. Understand? So I'll give this about 2 minutes to 3 minutes and then I take it out. Make Tanisha taste it. Come.
Take it. It's something hot, man.
Come on, taste it, man.
You see,
Yeah, go on like say, you're a roots girl.
roots girl. Roots girl have to do it. If you burn up me, it is good. And the pepper, oh my god.
Pepper is awesome, the salt is right. Everything, you know. But we are going in and the rice don't cook long time, juice don't make. Everything ready. This is the way.
Mine will turn off the pot. Be careful, oh.
Carrying everything on people. Soon come to the pot.
So the pot land.
People, see there?
That's fine now. Oh yeah, that's right.
Nice, eh? Show them the rice now. Yeah, man. Lazy man can't eat enough people. You have to be willing for work. Listen. I shall share some food now.
So guys, this is the finished product. Look at my dinner. The broad bean. Guys, you realize you cannot see any of the broad bean. The broad bean. What would I say? Cook out.
And you know, you just mash up because I put the bean in there for about a minute.
About 3 minutes.
No, I 2.
And it cook
And
out.
because them come soft.
So there you go.
But that's it, go.
If you have reached this far in the video, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. You have to show them a big muggy, man,
Big
sir.
mug there, people.
No, sir.
Yeah,
Me
man, the
can't
food look good.
manage.
I'm not taste it yet, but it looks good, you know? Yes, I.
I'll take it fast, so. You just insist to put a big muggy.